Hello and namaste to all. You're watching CAPFAC Mentors, and here we are. We have something for you. We're going to conduct All India Free Paper 1 mock for CAPF Assistant Commandant Examination. That is going to be conducted on 20th of December. It's less than 12 or 13 days. So I think you guys are now prepared, and it is the right time to check your progress, whether you are prepared or not, or the areas in which you are lacking, so that you'll have 1 week to work on that particular area or subject or topic. So we'll be conducting this mock on 13th of December. That's the upcoming Sunday, and you may attempt this mock from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and once you sign in to your profile, you'll get 2 hours window once you start this mock, and you may pause the mock as well, but I would suggest that you should attempt the mock in one go. So we have flexible timings. You'll get your results at 11 p.m. in the night, as the last slot of exam gets over. So what are the features of this mock? Firstly, it's all India mock, and yes, you'll be getting your ranking after the result would be declared, and you'll get result on the same day, as I have told you earlier, at around 11 p.m. and after that you'll get detailed explanation of each and every question, and so that you can have an idea about the questions attempted by you, and their explanation would be provided to you when you like submit your paper and look for your ranking and other stuff. Also, one question would be popping up in your mind, that how to register for this mock. We have provided the link in the description below. Registration closing at 9 p.m. on Saturday, that's 12th of December. So make sure to register yourself. It's absolutely free. Compete in a real exam like environment, and we have tried to maintain the same level of the questions that is expected in this year's examination, and it has been made by the toppers of CAPF Assistant Commandant Examination with latest current affairs and related things which are expected this year. So that's all for today. You might get the link of registration in the description below, and also you may join our Telegram group for other related information on this, because we are going to provide other information on our Telegram channel that is absolutely free. So you don't need to pay a single penny for this mock. So all the best, prepare well, and do not take it lightly, and do not use unfair means while attempting this mock, because there will be all India ranking, and you might get your rank. So be honest with yourself, and at the end of the day we'll decide a cutoff and see how you guys performs. So take care, all the best, and get the registration link in the description below. Also join us on Telegram so that you will be updated regarding this mock in the future course of days. So take care, and Jai Hind.